Welcome to a completely different video out of my new luthier workshop. Maybe some of you know me from my YouTube channel called Petrek Guitars, where I normally show and explain very complicated guitar and bass repairs. My name is Nikola Petrek and I graduated in 1997 on a German Luthier school. And since then I was working constantly on building and repairing guitars and basses. Actually, I've made about 20,000 repairs on any kind of stringed instruments. And in this video, I want to talk about a very important step, maybe the most important one if you want to have an instrument with the perfect playability. It's all about how to make an electric guitar setup. I will show you my process that I have developed while working on guitars and basses for 30 years now. And I will try to keep things simple and basic because the idea of this video is not confusing you with too much information. It's more about explaining just necessary facts so that I can bring you in a position to set up and optimize your instrument by yourself. The most important thing is the running order. I will start with the maintenance, and after I finish that, I will show you how I set up an electric guitar. Enjoy the video.